Tend boma ma Kisumu Abala Wanga oyango chenro magin godo kaka tend boma eneno ni omed chwalo boma ma Kisumu e rang'iny mamalo mondo omed bedo e ng'ala ma achiel kuom bombe mabeyo e pinje mantie Afrika. Kane olosero madhi nyime boma Kisumu ma okelo kanyakla jotend bombe mopogore pinje Afrika ma otisi ni ASCO Summit, Wanga wacho ni boma ma Kisumu biro mana yawre malach ka ochane maber. Bende omedo ni gin kod paro mano ni omanjo joket mwandu mondo ged e dho wedhe mag nam lolwe anyato gero kuonde yweyo kaka magawa.
If you go to Dunga area, you go to Nalenda area, you'll find a lot of informal settlements with the usual traditions. Most of these were homes where they stayed. They grew up, so they still practice so many things around there. What we have proposed, which is yet to get to cabinet, which I'm yet to present to the board, I think it's time that we, as a county, buy off these people to ease and give space for the waterfront and let them settle in other places so that we can have investment at the waterfront. But the notorious sectors that keep land vacant are the government sectors. We have Arena Estate, that is a government land being wasted. We have Kenya Railways. Kenya Railways is now the worst. If you check the CBD downtown, Kenya Railways still own a huge parcel of land there with old railway buildings. So these are the pictures of what still Kenya Railway owns in Kisumu. So I want you to ask yourself, with this kind of buildings of Kenya Railways, do you think it will help this city as a smart city?